Hello and welcome to my channel, and as from the title you have already known that today's video is about how to refill your beautiful perfume atomizer like this. So take your favorite perfume and your perfume atomizer of course and stay with me. So at first take your perfume or body mist and open it and see you have to open this cap from where the perfume comes out or your body mist comes out when you pump like this. So you have to open it. It may take a while, but it's not that hard. You just have to turn it clockwise, anti-clockwise and pull it to open this part. And yeah, and do that, and let me show you what to do next. So in my case it took a while, so I did it off camera. So when you'll be able to open it, take your perfume atomizer and keep it closed, and then see this side, the bottom part of your atomizer, place it to this part, to this tube thing or whatever, I don't know, and push it downward, the atomizer, push it downward like this. And every time you push it, your atomizer will be refilled with the perfume or body mist you want to refill with. So my atomizer is almost refilled with this body mist, and the thing is, from this size of perfume atomizer you can have 40 to 50 sprays or 50 pumps of perfume. So that's all for today, and as always, help yourself, help others, stay elegant. Take care. And if you like this video and find it helpful, then